How to turn on and off silence unknown callers on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on and off silence unknown callers on WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And now here once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu, just tap on settings. And now here once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on privacy. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as calls. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the calls section, there you'll see the option labeled as silence unknown callers. So here, if you want to turn on this option, just toggle it on. Or here, if you want to turn off this option, you can just toggle it off. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.